Subscribe to Highest Good, where we tell you your future.
How are you doing, Aries?
On Monday, you tend to think too much about everything in your life and you are doing the same thing about your romantic relationship. But being involved with another person requires emotions and feelings, not analysis and a pros and cons checklist. You are in danger of overthinking your relationship. Instead, take out some time today to consciously stop thinking and analyzing your relationship. Instead, just let yourself be and go with the flow. You need to be more relaxed and less rigid and less structured in your relationship with your partner. This will not come easily to you. You can try some relaxing activities together, like an exercise session or even a couple's massage. Make a resolution not to think about the status of your relationship today or to always try to determine what way it is going. Are you familiar with the phrase beginner's luck? It is typical for you to grasp very quickly the point of a given exercise, but also to tire of it just as quickly. For instance, if you have been somewhat regular about diet and exercise, you will feel the effects almost immediately. However, that positive effect will also make you feel like it's okay to slacken your routine. Resist this tendency by incorporating more elements into your healthy regime. Get to bed earlier and wake up earlier. On Tuesday, your tendency to attach too much importance to every little thing has been a big hindrance to your partner, who is something of a free spirit. This may even have been pushing at the limits of the patience of your partner. So, your change in attitude will come as a much welcome change to your partner. Let your partner plan the day and the entertainment today for a change, and you just do whatever your partner plans. This will lead to a better level of love and understanding between you two. You will see that you have accomplished far more with a single day of feeling as compared to what you achieved with months of thinking and analyzing. Today you will require a lot of multitasking. It will be difficult on the domestic as well as work front. Therefore, you will want to unwind and relax in the company of your partner today. A light snack in the evening after work or a candlelight dinner would work wonders after the tiring day. Focus on simple, light-hearted conversation, as it will help your mind relax and enjoy the time spent with your partner. Pay attention to what you two say, as a single word amiss might lead to rising tempers. Being a good listener is way to go. Expect a lot of phone calls from your partner. On Wednesday, it's an interesting day and full of twists. Situations you never hoped for will come true. Be prepared to have prayers answered. Your partner is in an extremely scrutinizing mood today. At the same time, he or she is totally into you today. Therefore, all his or her attention will be on you. It will be a good idea to pay attention to your appearance today. Be kind to others the whole day. Some philanthropic activity in the form of donation or helping elderly people out will be a good idea. The Mars sextile Pluto transit brings stamina as well as energy. This is a good time to multitask and crack down on tasks that require a lot of patience and verve. Believe in yourself. You are capable of achieving great things so long as you have the passion and stamina to do so. On Thursday, with the moon in your sign and in your first house of self and discipline, you may feel more sensitive and eager to explore parts of your subconsciousness which may have been hidden. Events or conversations may manifest today which draw attention to the deepest part of yourself, igniting your curiosity. This is absolutely fine. For the universe will often throw things your way to help us on our journey. The moon transit brings you into closer connection with your own vulnerabilities and enables you to view things from multiple filters, helping you on your path to well-being and inner wholeness. You need to be more relaxed and less rigid and less structured in your relationship with your partner. This will not come easily to you. You can try some relaxing activities together, like an exercise session or even a couple's massage. Make a resolution not to think about the status of your relationship today or to always try to determine what way it is going. On Friday, your tendency to attach too much importance to every little thing has been a big hindrance to your partner, who is something of a free spirit. This may even have been pushing at the limits of the patience of your partner. So, your change in attitude will come as a much welcome change to your partner. Let your partner plan the day and the entertainment today for a change, and you just do whatever your partner plans. This will lead to a better level of love and understanding between you two. You will see that you have accomplished far more with a single day of feeling as compared to what you achieved with months of thinking and analyzing. On Saturday, get busy when it comes to romance. Meeting people, flirting, and having fun are in the stars. Couples have a great chance for extra sweet times together, so stop work early and make the most of it. Taking a closer look at a matter of the heart yields a fresh understanding. This weekend, you grasp both the details and the larger picture when it comes to a relationship or potential one. If you want to take it to a more meaningful emotional level, now's the time. Heart patients have worrying news for them in this time period. There is a risk of their condition worsening. Furthermore, you are unlikely to get relief from an old ailment you are suffering from. Not only this, but you can't ignore any aspect of your health. Also, pay attention to your mental well-being. Don't ignore any unusual sensation or undue stress. In order to stay fit, you need to indulge in physical exercises. A few good examples of that are gym, yoga, and jogging. It is also foreseen that you may face stress as well as anxiety. On Sunday, there's a little bit of tension between relationships and independence. Note that the grass only appears greener on the other side of that fence. Enjoy your side now and enjoy how charming people are finding you. If things get heavy, look for ways to renew your energy and your heart. Think about reducing, reusing, and recycling in an emotional context. Just in time for the weekend, you will be all fired up again and ready to explore with your partner or go exploring for one. The union of major planets is seen to be positioned in the 6th house. This means that major changes could be expected, but along with changes come newer challenges as well. Challenges could either be in terms of finances or on the work front. But what's important to know is that nothing is lost. Keep calm and try not stressing over things unnecessarily. A peaceful mind shall help you fight through this stage. But for that, you need to accept your limitations and then strive to better yourself.
Money and career.
On Monday, the day may not be very encouraging for you. More efforts are required from your side. You may also not be able to gain clarity. This could lead you to take some wrong decisions which could prove detrimental for you. You have to display more intelligence in carrying out your activity. You will find the day with obstacles. It will be wise to take things easy, as this will guide you towards happiness. You could also experience a sense of loss. Avoid taking major decisions for the day. On Tuesday, this could very well turn out to be a glorious day for you. By taking sincere efforts, you will achieve wonders. Engaging yourself in spiritual activities will also give you happiness and satisfaction. Due to disturbances in your mind, you will delay carrying out your normal routine. There are also chances for you to lose some valuable possessions due to your negligence. On Wednesday, an open mind will help to utilize opportunities well. You need to capitalize on such options and situations to achieve the best on this day. You can spend the day pursuing matters of spiritual interest. The only way to keep yourself relaxed and calm is by means of observing prayers. The day requires you to use your intelligence to achieve your objectives. You need to be tactful in handling the matters of the day. You also need to be relaxed and avoid frustrations to experience better results. On Thursday, you find relief by involving yourself in spiritual matters. Observe some prayers and meditation, and this will help you to bring happiness. Be more cheerful and spot a smile on your face. Your mind will be devoted to spiritualism. Involving yourself in such matters will give you more relief. On Friday, you could be stressed out mentally. Getting involved in spiritual pursuits will bring relief for you. Make sure you retain the idea of improving yourself, as this will help you. The day will keep you busy and active. You will also experience happiness over your progress. You can pursue useful decisions that will help promote your interests. This could turn out to be a favorable day for you. An optimistic attitude enables you to fulfill your ambitions. You will also be in a position to gain new contacts and widen your friend circle. On Saturday, you need to develop more patience. Earning the goodwill of people is most essential. You also need to develop more courage. You might face some hurdles on this day. Avoid taking major decisions. Be open and positive in your mind. Your actions will be quick and you will be able to discharge your responsibilities easily. Your dreams will be realized and you will have the positive mindset to attain your objectives easily. On Sunday, you will be blessed with a broader vision on this day. This will enable you to accomplish your objectives easily. Your sincere approach will pave the way for stupendous success to follow. Involving yourself in charitable deeds and spiritual practices will bring you a lot of relief. The day promises to be good for achieving success. You will possess the determination and courage to act swiftly, and you will do this with much grace. You will also possess all the abilities that will bring out your potential.
To get your daily prediction updates from our team of psychics, subscribe to Highest Good and click on the bell notification and never miss a prediction.